and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at a special edition England goalkeeper top. Now I'm not sure if this is a leak for the World Cup or if this is, as it said in the title on bestzv3.com where we purchased this from, a special edition. So I guess only time will tell. But yeah, BestZ3 is the seller. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHgate link for my usual seller, hopefully to the England items, so you can get straight through to them. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag. There's a Nike bag, and on the flip side it does just have the usual health warnings. If you are new around here, I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But yes, bestzv3.com is the seller, and all the information will be in the description of the video. If there are any items you'd like me to look at in the future, please do let me know, and I will try my best to go and purchase them from one of the sellers and do a full lowdown on this channel. But let's get the bag undone and take a look at this England Special Edition goalkeeper top. Okay, we start with the front of the shirt, and as a lot of older retro goalkeeper tops used to have, the Nike tick is in the middle of the collar, and I do really like that actually. It's been embroidered in. Moving down, we do have the star, the single star embroidered on, along with the England badge, which has been embroidered on as well. What I do really like, actually, if I zoom out, it has got the look of the star, but there weren't there an England goalkeeper top in the past that had something very similar? I'm sure there was. Then you've got this really nice pattern up here, which also links over to this side. And then the pattern is visible as well at the bottom on there and down there as well. Obviously no patches or anything on the sleeves. We do have another retro vibe here, which is the Nike Team XL size, which actually got a bit of the not the tracing paper, I can't think, heat press paper on there. That's because that's vinyled on. It used to be that they were embroidered in. I do think that is slightly on the wonk actually, only very minutely higher on that side. But as we zoom out to take a final look at the front of the shirt, let's take a look at the reverse side as well now. Okay, we're on to the reverse side, and straight away you know this is not going to be an official one because it's got the England with the Nike tick there. Well, I suppose it could be, but I very much doubt an England goalkeeper top is going to have this on the back. This may end up being like a training shirt or something for the goalkeepers, or it could just be like some of the sellers do. They just get these special edition ones in that have no real like authentication behind them. It's just something that someone's designed, they've seen it online and they produced them, and that's probably what this one's going to be. Although I do hope it might be a training top, because I think the design on it is absolutely fantastic. You're not going to be able to get your name and number on here at all. But as a training top, I think this would look really, really smart. You do have the neck padding around the collar as well. And the collar is actually, it's not like a singular bit of material, it's like folded over and embroidered on. So it's got a nice little bit of thickness around there. But there's the reverse side now complete. Let's take a look at the inside. Okay, we're on to the inside now of the shirt. Do have a loose thread up there, but the stitching all around the collar does look okay. We'll have a loose thread up there, look. But yeah, the collar apart from that looks all fine. Stitching moves down to the arm, so it's a couple of bits of material. Look, the arm is one, the front is one, then you've got separate bits of material down on the reverse side. The star and the England crest, we said earlier, have been embroidered on. And to be fair, they look okay. Nice and smooth, no bobbles at all. And then this sleeve again looks absolutely fine. Yeah, the joins do not look too bad at all. At the bottom, look at this side, I can't remember now. One of the sides we have the print of the size. So this side here. It's been vinyled on, and yeah, not a single crease on there at all. Hemline looks good. Yeah, all looks fine, absolutely fine. So there's the front inside. Let's take a look at the final part of the inside of this shirt now. Okay, we're on the final part of the inside, and you can see now where that loose thread is. Look, it's just from the join on the seam up there. The band around there likewise. Again, it's the join up there. You've got the dry fit XL, vinyled in, and then you've got the standard tags that they put in there. England size XL. This is like a fan version, so XL's fine. You've got the England print. It's into the material, so you know that's going to be perfect. And at the bottom, we have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to put it on a hand wash setting and have it as it is now. This is inside out. This one wouldn't be so bad to wash the correct way around. Anything that you have got is that that tag just there, which has been vinyled on. Everything else is printed into the material itself. But as always, I would still wash it inside out. And there's the final look of the inside of the shirt. If we push in, not see-through in the slightest, probably because the material's dark. But yeah, there we have it. What do you think? And there we have our special edition England goalkeeper top. And it has got the retro vibe to it with that style on there. But yeah, I don't think this is going to be an official one. I think this is very much the special edition, as it says, because of that England on the back. It does look really smart though. I do really, really like this one. What do you think? Do you think this will be a special edition, or do you think this is what the World Cup goalkeeper top's going to look like? Let me know in the comments below. The seller of this one is bestzv3.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a DHgate link for my usual seller. So that was bestzv3.com. God, I can't say it today. But yeah, all the information in the description, and it'll be spelled right, unlike me not being able to say it. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, let me know below. But as we take a final look at this special edition England goalkeeper top, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.